Meaning of Enola Gay.
Enola Gay.
Enola Gay.
Enola Gay.
Enola Gay. Enola Gay was the name of the American B-29 bomber that dropped an atomic bomb on the Japanese city of Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, during World War II. The bombing resulted in the deaths of approximately 140,000 people by the end of that year. It was a pivotal moment in history as it ultimately led to Japan's surrender and the end of the war. The use of nuclear weapons also marked the beginning of the nuclear age and raised ethical questions regarding their use in warfare.